Alright, so just landed in Las Vegas. It's about 11 a.m. and this time out I'm renting a car from Diplomat Exotic Rentals. They're hooking me up with an NSX and a Ferrari 458, and then we're gonna go drag racing against the guys over at Speed Vegas. They're on the way to pick me up right now. Here we go. Rolls-Royce Ghost. Alright, so we got an interesting matchup here. We got the Lamborghini Huracan LP580 against the Acura NSX. NSX comes about 180,000. I think these start around 200, so a little bit of a price difference. V10 versus twin turbo V6 plus electric motors. The Lambo's got rear wheel drive and the Acura has all wheel drive. So significant advantage for the Acura, but we'll see how well that car comes off the line and launches. We'll also do some roll races as well, because I think the Huracan's got it in a roll race, but let's go out and check it out and see what happens. as expected, that NSX comes off the line way better than the Huracan. Definitely a couple cars, then looks like the Huracan was hanging on. I gotta go review the footage and take a look at it, but he never passed me in the NSX at all. We also did 2 40-mile-an-hour roll races, and the first time, I think he was a little late off the start. I had him the whole way. Second race, I kind of hesitated a little bit to let him get a little jump just to see what it's all about. And again, it looked like the NSX pulled a little bit on the Huracan, which to me is really, really surprising based on what I've seen the NSX do in previous races, as well as the LP580. What we didn't get to do was LP580 versus 610, so we're gonna have to get those 2 cars together and do it again. We're looking to come back out here for SEMA, November 1st to the 4th here at Speed Vegas with Diplomat Exotic Car Rentals and get some more races done. So we'll keep you posted on the YouTube channel and Instagram all about that. And as always, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.
The nail in the tire.
Oh, yeah, we had a nail in the tire, but we're not telling anyone about that.